del Carmen Hernández Pacheco. Today I'm going to show you the simplest block of Colombia station. Rainy season and dry season. Colombia station. Rainy season in Colombia, the weather may change the season many causes, but generally the rainy season occurs around the month of April, May, and the of June, with chin counterpart occur with intensity and causes flush and environmental damage. The temperature varies according to the sector. In some regions of the country, temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and for others the temperature are very low, between 11 degrees Celsius and 11 degrees Celsius. Dry season generally corresponds to summer, where the temperature is dry on the Atlantic coast and the eastern plains, and this temperature occurs in the months such as December, January, February, March, and part of April, whereas temperature is between 29 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, and 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, thank you very much.